Power meets flexibility in Lenovo's latest 2-in-1 the IdeaPad Flex 5 from 14ABR8. If you're looking for a sleek, versatile machine powered by AMD Ryzen 7, this might be the perfect fit. Let's dive in. The Flex 5 features a stylish Arctic gray finish, with a sturdy yet lightweight build. Thanks to its 360-degree hinge, you can use it in laptop, tent, stand, or tablet mode, giving you maximum flexibility whether you're working, streaming, or sketching. It's powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5825U and 8-core, 16-thread processor with speeds up to 4.5 GHz. Paired with integrated AMD Radeon Graphics and 16 GB of fast LPDDR4X RAM, this machine handles multitasking, light editing, and daily computing with ease. Power adapter 65A round tip 3-pin. Pen Lenovo Digital Pen case color Arctic gray. The 14-inch WUXGA IPS display delivers sharp visuals with a 1920x1200 resolution. It's a glossy touch panel with TUV low blue light protection ideal for long working hours. Plus, the included Lenovo Digital Pen adds precision for note-taking or creative tasks. On the connectivity front, it's well equipped. You get 2 USB-A ports, a full-feature USB-C with power delivery and DisplayPort, HDMI 1.4b, a 3.5mm audio jack, and even an SD card reader, making it ideal for creators and professionals alike. With a 52.5-hour battery and 65W fast charging, the Flex 5 keeps up with your day. The Backlit keyboard is comfortable for long typing sessions, and it runs on Windows 11 Home right out of the box. Entertainment and video calls are covered too. You get front-facing stereo speakers tuned by Dolby Audio, dual-array mics. Overall, the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 from 14ABR8 brings powerful specs and convertible convenience at a competitive price. Whether you're a student, creator, or professional on the go, it checks a lot of boxes.